This is a tutorial video on how to download the Excel file of transaction history from Bithumb. Go to en.bithumb.com and log into your account. Click My Asset. Click Trade History from the left menu. Click Download. Enter the date range up to 180 days under duration. To download the transaction history for the entire year, you need to generate 3 files in total: January to April, May to August, and September to December. Select All under Trade and click Download to download the file. Now you can upload this Excel file directly into your Cointelli account to calculate your taxes. Thanks for watching.